Walk with pride na masasabi ang ating January winner. April Grand Prize is... Congratulations, Batman! Shanahay!
The stage is set para sa pinakamalawak, pinakabongga at pinakaaabangang singing star search sa buong bansa. Simula na ng Star in a Million Season 2 Grand Showdown. This is really the moment for the 8 grand finalists, the Star Force. Kahit anong kanta, napapatunog niyang kanya. OJ Mariano, the versatile groover. Walang nakakagaya ng ginagawa niyang pagpito sa kanta. Shanahay, the whistling diva. Super multi-talented, 100% sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Emma Numaga, the pop prince. Kasing unique ng kanyang pangalan ang kanyang singing style. Nico Maca, the soul sister. Pag siya'y kumanta, siguradong mapapahanga ka. Michael Cruz, the rock idol. Reyna sa biritan, Frenchie D, the big-time belter. Ang lakas ng dating sa stage at sa Texters votes. Ralph David, the Texters heartthrob. All-around performer at all-around sweetheart, Jasmine Fitzgerald, the sweet singing sensation. The Star in a Million Star Force. They are the best among the best. Future singing superstars. 8 names that will make their mark in Philippine entertainment. But only one can be the Star in a Million 2004 Grand Champion. This is the start of the Star in a Million Season 2 Grand Showdown.